MIT uses shadows to help self-driving vehicles see around corners. MIT researchers developed a new system that uses small changes in shadows to determine if there's a moving object coming around the corner. Autonomous cars could one day use the system to quickly avoid a potential collision with another car or pedestrian, MIT said. However, MIT revealed that the system has only been tested in indoor lighting conditions so far. Tesla unveils fully electric Cybertruck. Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Friday unveiled the automaker's fully electric pickup truck, Cybertruck, starting at $39,900. Cybertruck has an ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton, adaptive air suspension, payload capacity of up to 1,588 kilograms, and offers Autopilot as an add-on. Musk said, "Trucks have been the same for 100 years. We need something different, and we need sustainable energy.